morning children, how are you? Okay, completed your homework, yesterday's homework? Yes. What did you learn in yesterday's previous class? What did you learn in previous class? Expanded form and place values. Very good. So what are the place values of these numbers? What is the place value of 3, 9 and 7? What is the place value of 3? Yes, place value of 3 is 300s or 300. Very good. What is the place value of 9? What is the place value of 9? 9 in which place? Tens place now. So 9 tens are 90. 9 tens are 90. Next, what is the place value of 7? 7 in which place? 7 in ones place. So 7 ones are 7. Very good. Now can you say the place values of 408? What is the place value of 4? What is the place value of 4? 400s. 400s are 400. Right. What is the place value of 0? What is the place value of 0? 0 in which place? Yes. 0 tens are 0. Place value of 0 is always 0. Next, what is the place value of 8? 8 in which place? 8 in ones place. So 8 ones are 8. Understood? So 8 ones are 8. Now can you say the expanded form of 397? Expanded form of 397. So what is the expanded form? 300s plus next place value of 9 is 9 tens now. So plus 9 tens plus and this is 7. So it is nothing but 7 ones. 7 ones. Next, in another way, I told to write in 2 ways now. So are you written in 2 ways? What is in another way? 300s is nothing but 300 plus 9 tens. 9 tens is nothing but 90. Next, 7 ones. It is nothing but 7 plus 7. So 300 plus 90 plus 7. Understood? Same. What is the expanded form of 408? Expanded form of 408. Expanded form of 408 is 400s plus 0 tens plus 8 ones. 0 tens plus 8 ones. And next this is 400 plus, yes, 0 plus 8. Very good. Now today we are going to learn standard forms. Expanded form you learned in previous class. Today we are going to learn standard form or short form. nothing but standard form. So for example, 400 plus 9 tens plus 2 ones. 9 tens plus 2 ones. So 400 plus 9 tens plus 2 ones. So to convert into standard form, first we have to write the place values. Here highest place value is hundreds now. So write up to hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds. How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds. So we should write 4 under hundreds place. Next place value is tens. How many tens are there? How many tens are there? 9 tens. So write 9 under tens place. And how many ones are there? How many ones are there? 2 ones. So write 2 under ones place. So it is nothing but 492. 4 hundreds, 9 tens and 2 ones is nothing but 492. Understood? Next, 600 plus 40 plus 5. And same. This is also expanded form. You should convert this expanded form into standard form. So first we have to write the place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 6. So write 6 under hundreds place. How many tens are there? How many tens are there here? 40 is nothing but 4 tens. 40 is nothing but 4 tens. 4 tens are 40. Means how many tens are there? 4 tens. So write 4 under tens place. And how many ones are there? How many ones are there? 5 ones. So 645. Understood? It is nothing but 645. Next, 200 plus 5 ones. 200s plus 5 ones. So write in standard form. Write this expanded form into standard form. So to write in standard form, first we have to write the place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds are there. So we should write 2 under hundreds place. And how many tens are there? How many tens are there? How many tens are there? There is no tens. So we should write 0 under tens place. And next, how many ones are there? Ones. 5 ones are there. So write 5 under ones place. 5 ones. So what is that number? 205. Okay? It is nothing but 205. Next, 300 plus 70. 300 plus 70. Convert this expanded form into standard form. So to convert into standard form, first we have to write the place values. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. So write 3 under hundreds place. How many tens are there? 70 is nothing but. What is 70? How many tens in 70? ones are there? There is no ones. So what we should write in ones place? Yes, we should write 0 under ones place. So what is that number? 370. Understood? It is nothing but 370. Okay? Next. Plus 110 plus 5 ones. So do it fast. Write standard form of these numbers. Write it fast. plus 3. Write the standard form of the numbers. Standard forms. First one, 400 plus 110 plus 5 ones. Next, 900 plus 3. So to write the standard forms, first we have to write place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now, how many hundreds are there? 400. How many tens are there? 110. How many ones are there? 5 ones. So what is the answer? What is the standard form? 450 is the standard form. Next, 900 plus 3. So we should convert it into standard form. Same, ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 900. So 9 in hundreds place. How many tens are there? How many tens are there? No tens. So what we should write under tens place? 0. And how many ones are there? How many ones are there? 3. Understood everybody? So this is standard form. Next we are going to learn comparisons also. Finding greatest and smallest numbers. Okay? Comparing numbers. And 730, 435. 792 and 435. Here I gave two numbers. So we have to compare these two numbers. If you compare that numbers, we can find greatest and smallest numbers. Sometimes greater, sometimes smaller, and sometimes equal numbers will be there. And here 792 and 435. We have to compare these numbers. So to compare that numbers, first what we should do? So to compare these numbers, 792, 435. So in these, which is greater and which is smaller? Which is the greatest number? Greatest number is which is the greatest number? 792. And the smallest number is 95. Why here 2 and this is 9? 9 is greater now. How can you say 263 is greater than 95? How can you say 263 is greater than 95? Here you said 7 is greater than 4. Because of that, greatest number is 792. But in this, 9 is greater than 2. Even though you said 263 is greater than 95. How? How it is greater than 95? Yes, because here 3 digits are there and here 2 digits are there. Understood? This is 3-digit number and this is 2-digit number. So 3-digit number is always greater than the 2-digit number. Understood? 3-digit number is always greater than the 2-digit number. Understood? So 263 is greater than 95. Next, 456 and 425. Here, which one is greater? In these two numbers, which number is greater? Here 3 digits are there and here also 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Both are 3-digit numbers. So in these 3-digit numbers, which one is greater? Which one is greater? So if same number of digits in two numbers, then we have to compare the digits from highest place value, from left side. So left side first digit is 4 and here also 4. So same digits in hundreds place. So if same digits in hundreds place, then we have to compare the next digit 5, 2. So in 5 and 2, which one is greater, 5 or 2? 5 is greater than 2. So 456 is greater than 425. So greatest number is 456 and the smallest number is 425. If 2 digits are there, means you are finding greatest and smallest numbers. Sometimes more than 2 digits, more than 2 digits will be there. 243, 265, 96 and 498. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. From these 4 numbers, we have to find the greatest number and smallest number. So either two numbers or 3 numbers or more than 3 numbers, we have to follow the same method. First we have to count the number of digits. How many digits in this number? 3 digits. And here 3 digits. And here how many digit number it is? 1, 2 digits are there. And here 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Okay? So which is the 3 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. So these 3 numbers have same number of digits. But this number have 2 number of digits. 2 digit number it is. So 2 digit number, less number of digits are there now. So in which number less number of digits are there, that is less than the remaining number. So smallest number is 96. Now we have to find the greatest number from these 3. Okay? So which is greatest number? 2. Same number of digits now. So if same number of digits means we have to check the digit which is in highest place. So this is 2, 2 and 4. So in 2, 2 and 4, which is greater? 4 is greater than 2. So 498 is greater than remaining digit numbers, we have to find the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? Same number of digits, no? So compare 2, 6, 2. Which is greater? Which is greater? 6 is greater. So 643 is greater number. And next, smallest number is 2, 2. Both are same. And next, 3, 2. Which is smaller in that? 2 is smaller. So 225 is smallest number. Now answer this one. Which is the greatest number? Here this is 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 2-digit number. So which is greater? 438. And the smallest number, this is 12 and 64. In these two, which one is smaller? 12 or 64? 1 in tens place and 6 in tens place. So which is smaller? 12. So smallest number is 12. Understood? So now today's homework is write standard form. Standard form. Three hundreds plus 9 ones. And next one more. 700 plus 20 plus 6. And next find greatest and smallest numbers. Greatest and smallest numbers. Smallest numbers. 265, 732, 697. And next question. 345, 376, 325. And next, learn and write 6th and 7th tables. 6th and 7th tables. 2 times. Okay, this is today's homework. Do your homework. Okay.